Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of some of the new plazas that are being built. Some are up and running in Drax. That's the Court Store straight ahead, and then to the left is a Knutsford Express. They built our depot here and a plaza behind it. Now Drax is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. It started off as a residential development, but so many houses were built, thousands of homes built, and thousands more under construction, that the commercial part of it started to expand. It started with one plaza. Actually, the first plaza was the Booth gas station, and ever since then, the growth here has been phenomenal. There are so many plazas now that every major chain, whether it's fast food, supermarkets, they all want a store or a location in Draxall. So you have billion-dollar plazas going up in Draxall, and this section out here has quite a few plazas. So we're just going to give you a quick tour, just showing you some of the growth that's happening out here in Draxall. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.